I bought lost cargo that is full of Christmas decorations and other random stuff, but some pretty interesting looking Christmas decorations. And today we're gonna unbox it all and see if I can decorate my house with it. It's all probably so random, so creating a cohesive look throughout my house with all of this is definitely gonna be a challenge, but I think we can pull it off. We have unboxed tons of lost mail packages over on my main channel, HopeScope. Our online orders get lost in shipment all the time, especially this time of year. Over 1 million packages will go lost and undelivered this holiday season. And we have a ton of them here today. And most of those little packages are just online orders that never made it to their final destination. But these giant boxes most likely came out of a big cargo delivery vehicle. I'm guessing these ones in particular were either coming or going to a Sam's Club, because most of them are Sam's Club brand. And nobody ever claimed them, so now they're ours after I won them on an online auction. If you want to see the other stuff that I got in this palette, you'll have to go watch my main channel video. Oh my gosh, I hope this stuff is usable and it's not just like trashed and broken. I guess we're about to find out. Okay, we've got set of 3 pre-lit prismatic snowflakes. If these are the ones that I'm thinking of, I'm really excited. The like iridescent ones. Okay, I'm nervous that there's nothing in here. If it is the snowflakes though, these things were $115, brand new. I see them. Oh my gosh. I guess it's just one and it's huge. What is this? Instructions and spare parts. This looks like a top secret confidential file. Why did they put it in this? Is it actually only one? Because it definitely says 3 on the box. Let's open it. There could be more in here. Oh wait. Okay, no, there is 3. We're good, we're good. This looks like it's never been opened. Well, my plan was to like hang these from my fireplace mantle, but I didn't realize they'd be this big, so we're gonna have to get creative. Oh my gosh, they are the iridescent ones though. I'm so excited. I've seen these all over TikTok. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, I was expecting the biggest one to be this size for some reason. We should probably turn these on and make sure they actually light up first. 3, 2, 1. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, how fun. Oh, I'm so glad that they work. Oh, and some of the lights twinkle. I'm obsessed with these. Okay, we're off to a pretty good start. Okay, so I have 2 ideas for how I want to theme the decorations of my house. Option number 1 is like a candy themed decoration, which is very like bright colors, whimsical. So far, these snowflakes definitely go better with that idea. But my second idea that I had was this like Enchanted Christmas forest with lots of red and green and just kind of more moody and elegant. That's the one I'm leaning towards, but we'll see if we can make any of this work for that. Next package, this little guy. Continuing on our little candy theme. This is pre-lit 5-piece Gingerbread Village, and this thing is $70 brand new. Also the Members Mark brand. I think that's the Sam's Club brand. Please don't be ugly. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Oh, glitter everywhere. This is actually so cute. Oh no, we have a broken piece, just the very bottom on there. That's adorable. It's like glittery. Okay, honestly, I feel like we could make this one work for either of the themes. Another tree. I love the red. Big gingerbread house and medium one. Okay, this is so cute. I think I know exactly where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this on my entry foyer table with probably some like fake snow and some fairy lights around it. I think it'll be really cute. This is where our gingerbread village is going to live. We are going to be repurposing some of our Halloween spider web to try to make it look like snow. Honestly, so far so good. Okay, this was also in the cargo. It wasn't in like a fun box or anything, but they're the LED flameless candles. I love these things. I have these around my house just all year long. So I'm thinking we're going Enchanted Christmas forest vibes, and these will be absolutely perfect. These are so cute, and they all work, which is always a win. I think what I decided I'm gonna do with these little candles is stack them on the presents around the tree, just to like expand the glow of the tree a little bit. I think it's gonna look magical. Okay, and now for our big boxes. 2 boxes of pre-lit 3 flocked alpine trees. I don't really know what these are gonna look like. Hopefully they're cool. But these are $230 brand new. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're so little. Cute. Okay, these will be cute. They'll look really good with our little forest theme. And I love that they already have the Christmas lights on them. These boxes smell a little musty, not gonna lie. Who knows how long these have actually been just in storage somewhere. Next is the part I'm the most excited about. We're gonna decorate the tree, starting with these roses. I'm so excited for this. I feel like this is actually like a really quick, easy to store afterwards way to decorate your tree. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Cute. Yeah, the leaves of the roses make the tree more full too, so I like that. Oh, Lee, you're here to decorate the tree with us. Okay, if you do this DIY, I recommend singular fake roses instead of the bundles. This is a little difficult. In case you're wondering what that giant present under the tree is, that's Tyler's. He's only getting one Christmas present this year, and I made sure it was the world's biggest. Next step, we are adding some cute little bows to it and some cranberries. The tree is done. The only thing left is something for the top of the tree. I've been seeing these giant bows all over TikTok that you like tie together with your feet. Welcome to my ribbon tying tutorial. Your feet! Don't look it up. This is not cute. Help, why is mine so ugly? Cute. Kinda. Yeah, it didn't go well. I'm not really sure where I kept going wrong. Plan B. Anna found this one that you just make a whole bunch of loops and then zip tie them all together. This one turned out better than the foot bow. Wow, looks great from far. This was Tyler's contribution to the Christmas decorating. He got to put the bow at the very top of the tree. But now our tree is complete. I also added some tiny roses and bows to the little trees. Coffee table time, book, candle, more roses, and the cutest thing. I found this thing in a little boutique in Dallas, Texas called Scout Design Studio. Wait till you see it. This might be my favorite Christmas decoration I've ever owned. I know it's not lost cargo, but trust me. It's a little TV. It's a snow globe, but wait. It's so cute. I didn't realize it plays music. Anyway, this is gonna be so cute to sit on the coffee table in front of the TV. Cute. Oh, and you can do colorful lights or just white lights. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Ta-da, what do you think?
Wow.
I know, they're cute, huh? Okay, so here's the beginning and then...
Oh, I didn't even notice these.
I know, they're cute, huh? Look at it.
Our house have never been so festive. Good job.
Cute,
Whose idea
huh?
was that?
TikToks.
We haven't decorated for Christmas like ever, really. I mean, like once or twice, like in our whole marriage.
We had a tree like that size for the first 5 years of our marriage, so
and then,
it was
like,
time for a
and, like,
real
the
one.
last like 3, like no tree. So this is amazing.
I think my little enchanted Christmas forest turned out absolutely perfect. This is definitely my favorite Christmas decor I've had probably ever. And this has been so much fun. You should check out my gift guide video if you haven't seen that. It's a whole bunch of great last minute gift ideas. And I had some of my team members rank how good of Christmas gifts they really are. And we will see you guys in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.